Hey guys, my name is Zack Sayenko and we here at Skilled are extremely excited to present you this new course on how to nail your JavaScript technical interview. Let me tell you a little bit more about myself and then we'll chat about the course. I have over 20 years of experience in JavaScript among many other languages. I started learning JavaScript as an intern a long time ago back in college. Since then, learned many of its frameworks that were popular back in the day, then moved into Angular, then React, built several complex enterprise level applications in React. One of them was nominated for a Webby. I have done work in React Native and also very experienced in doing JavaScript on the back end. I love JavaScript. I think it's very versatile and beautiful language, and frankly, that's probably why it's been so popular over the past 5 to 10 years. So why are we doing this? There's already so much material on JavaScript online. How is this course going to be any different than anything else that you see? Well, after I interviewed literally hundreds of people for Skilled, and even more so as part of my day-to-day job, I realized that the interviewing skills and the skills that you develop while studying to become an engineer are actually quite different. And especially early in your career, you might be an amazing engineer, but not interview so well. And it's really not your fault, it's that the workflows are pretty different. Usually when you're coding in the office or at home, you don't have anybody looking over your shoulder, you have Google, you have Stack Overflow, you have code that's been written previously in the project before you joined. Very rarely you're looking at a blank screen. And unfortunately, that is literally what you have to do in the interview. You'll be in front of the whiteboard or a blank code editor, asked to write some code while somebody's looking over your shoulder, judging every letter that you write. And sometimes it gets even crazier than that. One time I was at a career fair many years ago, and if any of you know, career fairs sometimes get pretty loud and crowded, and this one company was doing technical screenings right in front of the booth. With people swarming all over me and talking over my shoulder, they had me explain callback hell and how to avoid it. So hopefully none of your interviews will get that crazy, but you can see how developing the skills of being able to present your knowledge in the best possible way while being within the limitations of the interview process is extremely important. So how are we going to structure this course? We are going to go over the concepts. Some of them you might already know, some of them will be new, which is great. You learn something you didn't know before, but everything will be presented in the context of the interview. Every week, you'll get a couple videos explaining certain concepts. There will be assignments attached to those videos, and the assignments will be in the form of a technical question, just like you would see on the interview. Once you provide the answer, we'll give you feedback and the correct answer, and at the end of the week, there will be a group video session talking about the concepts and the assignments. And even if you don't have any questions and got everything right, I would still encourage you to attend those video sessions because somebody else might ask a question which you didn't know you had, and it's an opportunity for you to learn something new. As part of this course, you will also have 2 30-minute technical mock interviews, which I encourage you to schedule towards the end of the course so you can take the advantage of all the new knowledge that you will be learning. Before we start the course, there will be 2 free group video sessions answering any questions you might have about the course. There's absolutely no obligation to sign up if you attend one of those video sessions. So if you give us your email address, we'll send you the information on when those video sessions will be held. Thank you very much, guys.